This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the annual Hammersla Autobody and Restoration Show in Hanover, PA. We're going to get some cool photos over here.
They said the front, right?
This is just a small portion of the cars which came, which is great. The weather was threatening, and we've had a couple of free car wash spritzes. You know, first was the rinse off, then we soaped up, and then they were able to rinse off some more.
Oh, we gotta go to the stage.
Oh, let's go to the stage real quick.
Why?
So this is your number.
Nice little goat.
Next week would be the rain date, but
And the ram stain. You've seen this before. We've had this featured many times. This was actually built here, ground up, which is really pretty cool. I like this Supra. That's a Celica Supra. Some famous cars here. Let's keep going while we have the music off. The modern muscle. Of course, a little bow tie. And of course the Ranchero. You know, it worked so well. This whole platform was just great, absolutely great. Ford did so much with it. They had, of course, the two-door, four-door, the Spirit, the Sprint, the hardtop. They had the Ranchero, and of course, the van was based on it. Nice little Firebird Trans Am, and a GT6 Mark III. A six-cylinder Spitfire, basically, with a hardtop. Kind of nice. Chevy. Now, this is a Mercury. It's not a Maverick. This is a Mercury, which is kind of cool. 71, yeah, okay. That's upmarket, so it's prettier on the inside. That is nice. And where did it come from? What's that? Bream? Okay, Bream in Hanover, PA. Local car. And a little Mustang 2, Cobra 2. 76. Nice. And it's funny is that they say that the plugs are so tight in here. Oh, please. From some of the cars for today. What's interesting is that there's a good contingency of dubs here. Another thing which I saw surprising, there were two convertible Mustangs with 6 cylinders. We're going to end it over here with this 56 four-door. Just a pretty little cruiser. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2026, let's see, where should I point the camera? Oh, anywhere. 2026 Hammersla's Autobody and Restoration in Hanover, PA. Their annual car show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. And remember, while you're there, post and promote your shows directly onto the local car show calendars. I'll see you at the shows.